Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I have my beautiful friend, Missy May.
Hello.
And today we're going to be doing a crystal inspired makeup tutorial. And we chose the Opalite for our inspiration today. It's my little egg. And then we also have the Opalite here. So we're just bringing in the vibes, you know what I'm saying? So if you guys would like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then go ahead and keep watching. Hello everybody, so don't mind the background noise, it's the boys, they're watching their show. But I'm going to start off with this Wonder Beauty Illuminating Face Oil. I'm going for a really radiant and glowy look, so I'm going to start out with this, and it's just going to help her face have that nice, natural, radiant glow. So next I'm going to take this Morphe Eyebrow Palette. I'm going to take those two pretty light shades, and I'm just going to be filling in her brows. Nothing too crazy. I am going for more of a wispy, brushed out brow. So I'm just going to add a little bit to fill the sparse areas. Oh my god, if you haven't tried this P. Louise eyeshadow base, it is amazing. I mean, concealer works really well, but this base really does just help your eyeshadows look more vibrant and pigmented, and it makes it last. And it also really helps with, if you want to add glitter, it really sticks to it well. So if you haven't gotten to try this, I definitely recommend. Now I'm going to go in with this new Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales eyeshadow palette. I really love this eyeshadow palette because it has really cute pinkish berry tones, and it also has a couple pops of color. But I just want to use this nice pinky shade to just fill out her transition area. And I'm going to take this Retro Love palette, and this is by Bad Habit Beauty, and I love that green shade. It has a very nice iridescent type of look to it, and it's very reflective. So I'm using this as the base for the eyes, and I'm also going to add some other stuff on top of it. Now I'm going to take these two glitters, they're liquid eyeshadows, and I'm mixing them together. One of them is a little bit more purple, the other one's a little bit more blue, so I just kind of mixed them together, and I'm just going to place that on top of that green shade, and I just want to make it look a little bit more multi-dimensional and have more colors to it rather than just the green. And then now the star of the show is the Stila Glitter and Glow. This is the Diamond Dust shade. This stuff is amazing. It really just adds like a little bit extra to your eyeshadow look, and it's kind of hard to see it on camera, but it's very reflective, and the glitter just looks absolutely beautiful. So then I went back into that Retro Love palette, and I'm using that burgundy shade to create a nice small wing, nothing too crazy, just wanted to have a nice little flick to add some dimension to her eyes. And I'm using this Tarte mascara. This is the Big Ego mascara. And now I'm going to apply the Ardell Wispy Lashes, and these are the 113, and I really like these. They're really thin, but it's nice if you're going for more of a natural type of look. And so I had to mix some foundation shades. This is the L'Oreal Fresh Wear foundation, and I mixed it with my just plain white foundation from LA Girl. This matched her skin pretty well. Just wanted to get rid of some of the redness and just create a nice fresh canvas. I didn't want to go too heavy with the foundation. I still want her natural skin to pop through, but I do want to just have a nice even layer. And now for concealer, I'm using the Tarte Shape Tape, and this is the shade Light. I really like this concealer. I don't use it on myself too often because it is on the thicker side. It's a little bit too much for me, but I really wanted her to have nice, bright under eyes, so I went ahead and went with the full coverage Tarte Shape Tape. I got this little Kat Von D translucent powder for my birthday. It's in the little Sephora birthday pack that you get, And I absolutely love this translucent powder. It really reminds me of the Laura Mercier. It's very finely milled, and it does an amazing job of just making your skin look really flawless and blurred. And now I'm taking this Morphe palette, and this is a contour palette for light skin. And I really love these shades for using for fair to light skin tones. It just has really nice shades to it, and it's very inexpensive as well. And my favorite palette ever, the Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette. I'm just adding a little bit of the shimmer bronzing shade to it. And this is the Juvia's highlighter. Oh my god. It is so beautiful on fair skin. And this is the shade The Tribe. Oh my god. Yes. So I'm also going to put that in the inner corners and also on the eyebrow bone just to make the eye look come all together. I'm going to take that same burgundy shade and put that along her lower lash line, just about halfway through, not too much. And I love this blush. It's from Benefit. It's the California blush, and it's just so peachy and pink. It's perfect for springtime. We're not quite at springtime, but this is kind of what I was going for. And I'm going to take the NYX Cosmetics Beyond Nude Lip Liner. This is the perfect lip liner just to outline your lips, to add whatever color you want on top of it. And I'm taking the ColourPop Lippy Stick in this shade Brink. It's a nice nudish pink shade. And I'm going to go over it with the Appeal Cosmetics Holographic Lip Gloss just to add some glitter to it, make it look nice and shiny. Of course, I'm going to finish it off with the Morphe setting spray. This is the best setting spray ever. Alright you guys, that is it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!